Hello guys, so this is going to be my video of my new DK bike. As you can see, DK bicycles in the box. So let's unbox it. I gotta unbox it decently fast because I'm getting my hair cut. So I'm going on vacation tomorrow. So yeah. Exacto knife. Let's see, make sure you can see. Oh yes. Oh yes. Okay. So it's a DK Cygnus 20-inch green, as you can see. Comes nice, we packed. And that's me. Put you guys back. Let me get my cut that off so you guys can see. Okay, so I see zip ties, so I'm gonna cut those. Oh, it smells phenomenal. This is not. See? Handlebars? Okay. Down. I don't know what that is. Okay. See, front tire, obviously. Don't know what that is. Okay. Let's see. That's everything for the box. Okay, I'm guessing this is the pedals. So, here we got the tire, front tire. What's this, plastic thing? I'll get that off later. These are the handlebars, obviously. And I got the seat. Guessing pedals. Forks already installed with the frame. And then you got your cranks, you know, hub, brakes, sprocket, all that good stuff. So, let's get some of this cardboard off. I'll open this first. Yes, pedals and something else. See, pedals. Nice. And I think this is, I don't know. So I really don't know what this is. Some stuff. So put that there. Here is the seat. Take that off. I'm so taking that reflector off. So let's take that cardboard off. Look at my blade right here. Nice. I actually really like DK seats. This one. Okay, so I'm sure you guys have all seen them. You know, it's got the DK pattern. So it's nice. I'm going to take the reflector off later when I give myself a flathead screwdriver. So pedals. Here. Nice, okay, I'm just going to take these reflectors off right now. Okay. Just don't want to ruin my X-Acto knife. Looks like I already bent the tip, but who cares? It looks like I just snapped the tip. But it's okay. I have replacement blades. Okay, got those off. So now it's just, nice pedal. It's nice and warm. Just got off the delivery truck. Let me use a pen. Okay, got those reflectors off. And I think I'm pretty much done. I guess I'll start filming when I get the cardboard and stuff off. So yeah.